my goodness. So hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. Happy Easter! It is day 7 of April 2019, Box Week, and I'm back with the girls. Say what's up.
What's up?
Oh my goodness. So what are we opening tonight, ladies? Can you show everybody?
We are opening 2 boxes that are from Target.
From Target. You each have one, right?
Yeah.
So really quick, should we let them know?
Hold
on. Should we tell them that we will be putting some more items into our stockpile giveaway, and then after tonight's video, we'll be posting a video this week telling them how they can win this box of goodies. And if they're brand new, what should they do if they want to be in our family?
I know.
What?
They have to subscribe down below.
Subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, and if you've been here all the time, even if you're new, give us a, what should they give us, a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
And comment.
And no thumbs down or side thumb, right?
Right, just thumbs up, please. Well, if people want to give a thumbs down, you know, it's kind of up to them, right?
Yeah. If you don't like the video, please don't give a thumbs down because it might make us sad and mommy.
Jeez, they make me sound so fragile. So we're opening 2 different Target beauty boxes. These boxes were $7 per month, and they're released on Target's website. So the Target subscription, not like a normal beauty subscription where you can subscribe to it and have it sent to you monthly. It's a first come, first served basis. Usually ships out free. Last month, our box was damaged by a product in there, and then I messaged them, and they gave me a new box like right away, totally for free. So they did take care of it. I ended up putting most all of those items in the stockpile giveaway. So do you guys want to open your boxes?
I want to.
Open your box.
Okay, so.
Go for it. You each got one. And we're gonna go one by one though to see what you got. You each can show an item. How are you getting in there? You getting there? Do you need help? This is nice doing an unboxing and not having to actually open the box. It's kind of freeing a little bit. Do you need help opening that? I can help you. Okay. See, it's not as easy as it looks, guys. Is it? Do you want me to help you, dear?
That's one.
How about just a little bit? Yeah. Let me get a little bit of it open.
Can you just?
There. There you go. Now you gotta rip the plastic off. Alright, now keep it closed for a second. I'm gonna help Evelina get hers open.
This is crazy.
See, everyone makes fun of me, and they're not that easy to open, are they?
Yeah, they're not that easy with this glass.
Alright, so lift off the cover of your box. And inside, okay, yours says Au Naturel Beauty, and yours says April Showers, and they have $3 off coupons inside off $15 purchases. Alright, let's show them your tissue paper. Hold on. Elvie has a brown tissue paper, and Evelina has an orange tissue paper. Alright, so take one item out, and we'll look and see what you got. Just take one item out. Alright, you got Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. So this is like a hair product to put in to give you like smoothing, a smoothing cream. We're going to be putting this in the stockpile giveaway because Mom just got a smoothing cream one for boxes. Alright, this is Love Beauty and Planet say Muru Muru.
Muru Muru.
Muru Muru Butter. Say Muru Muru Butter.
Muru Muru Butter.
And Rose Blooming Strength and Shine 2-minute Magic Mask. I've actually wanted to try a hair mask from them, so I'm going to keep this and check it out. So this is a hair mask, which is exciting. Alright, what's next?
I wanted to see what it was because we never tried that.
Pick something out. It's your turn. No, it's your turn. Pick something out.
I'll take this out.
Okay, this is Degree Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White 48-hour antiperspirant. So this is a spray deodorant. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box also. I recently got a bunch of deodorant from one of the boxes, so I'm actually set on deodorant, so I don't need any, but this is actually really awesome. All right, what do you got there, Momo? Oh, another Love Beauty and Planet item. Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Luscious Hydration Hand Lotion. Should we try this out?
Yeah.
See what it feels like? Okay.
I never saw this shape of
Stop taking everything out! You're taking everything out. All of
Okay.
Ooh, this smells good. Alright, here. Try a little bit on your hands, guys. This is a hand lotion. You guys tell everybody what you think of it, okay? It
smells good.
Yeah, it does smell kind of good. Alright, let's try it.
I
like it. Let's try it. Ooh, very pretty. It's a very pretty smell. I like it.
I know. You can smell it all the way from here.
Mmm. I like this. So it's coconut water and mimosa flour.
That's a good idea.
You got a good item for
This is gonna help me a lot because my hands are.
Yeah, mine too. I like
Are
it.
you gonna keep it?
Do you want to keep it, Avelina?
I'm gonna keep it.
You can keep it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. All right, what's next? Avelina, you're next. Pick something out. All right. Oh, I needed this. Dove Refresh Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I literally just ran out of dry shampoo and I was like, I need more. Do you know what dry shampoo is?
What?
You spray it in your hair when your hair is dirty, and instead of having to wash it, it's dry. It gets all the yucky stuff out of the roots of your hair.
Oh, those ones?
Yeah, it's dry shampoo. You want me to try a little bit on you?
Keep it.
Let me try it on you?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Try me
Then you
too.
do that.
Oh,
And then you scrub it. Put a little bit on your bangs. See?
It smells good.
And it smells good too. How about that?
Try some in your hair.
Okay. Ooh! Got me. And so basically it just cleans your hair out if you've gone a couple of days
You
than
should
normal.
keep that one.
Well, we already used it. We have to keep it. All right, what do you have in there, Elvie? What's next? All right, we have clarifying facial wash and scrub, blemish prone skin, African black soap. This is actually a really good soap. So I actually love recommending this, especially to guys who have problem skin. This is really, really great for clearing out your pores. I'm going to keep this because I've been having some skin breakouts recently, and I feel like Joshy would really like this a lot. So this would be good for him. All right, what do you have, Evelina? What's next?
Okay. We use this.
All right, this is Bliss. That's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pad to smooth and brighten. So this is a resurfacing pad from Bliss. I don't think you guys can see it very well. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. I don't really need anything like this right now. I have a lot of peeling products currently on deck. So we're going to put this in the giveaway box. This is a peeling pad. So essentially going to take this and it's going to help get rid of some of the texture on your face. All right, what do you have next, Ellaby? All right, we have Cedarwood Juniper Natural Soap with Charcoal and Exfoliating Volcanic Sand.
That's a lot of words.
So this is like a soap for the face and body. I think I'm going to keep this and try it when I shave my legs. What do you think? What do you think?
I can't really smell.
You like it?
I can't really
smell it. I think I smell my hands. So we're going to try that out. All right, what do you have next? Ooh, Crest 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. Brilliant. So this is a whitening toothpaste from Crest. I like it. I actually needed new toothpaste. These boxes have like everything Mom needs right now. It's kind of awesome, right? All right, I need a new toothpaste, so I'm going to keep that. What do you have next? Looks like you have toothpaste also. All right, this is a Burt's Bees Fluoride Toothpaste, Mountain Mint. So there's like $1 off thing to save on a full-size one. I'm going to put this one in the giveaway box because I just got a different toothpaste. I don't need two toothpastes. All right, is that everything in your box, Olivia? Oh, there's still one random. All right, what do you have in here still? Oh, yes, I love these. This is Puffy Eye Attack. Oh, mine's kind of damaged, though. It's got like marker all over it. Look at, it's got marks on it. Oh, and on the back. Oh. Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches, the Mask Force. This is a really good hydrogel under eye patches from Soap and Glory. I've actually used these before and I really like these. I actually have a few of these, so I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. Again, it's got like black marker on it. Just, I did not do that. It came like that. I don't really know what the deal is with that, but it has black marker on it, so there's that. What's your last item that you got here? The Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm for dry damaged hair, no rinse conditioner. Ooh. Too good to rinse off. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really pretty. Smell it.
I can't wait for that. And I'll try it for
That's really cool.
Yeah,
so this is a no rinse conditioner. I'm actually really excited to try this. I think that's really awesome, especially when I wear my hair curly. Is that everything in your guys' boxes?
Yeah.
Alright, so I need somebody to be a big helper for me and hold the giveaway box in their lap. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, you hold this in your lap here, because we're going to recap the boxes. Open this up. Alright, let's recap everything. We'll set this to the side here. And the things we're keeping we'll put in your box, okay? So we got the Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm, no rinse conditioner. That's what it looks like. We're keeping that. Can you get your box back?
I'll get it up with my toes.
No, get it with your hands. We're not monkeys. Come on, get it. Pick it up with your hands. Elevate. Alright, putting this in your box. The next item that we got is the Crest 3D White Toothpaste, which I'm going to check out. We got the Burt's Bees Enamel Care Toothpaste, which is going into the stockpile giveaway. We got the Puffy Eye Attack from Soap and Glory, which is going into the stockpile giveaway. The Bedhead After Party Smoothing Balm, going in stockpile giveaway. We got the Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. We got the Cedarwood and Juniper Natural Soap, which we kept. The Love Beauty and Planet 2-minute Magic Hair Mask, which we're keeping. The Bliss, that's Incredipeel peeling skin product we're putting in there. And the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Scrub, which we're keeping. And the Degree Dry Spray for deodorant, which we're putting in the giveaway box. So look at our giveaway box, guys. It is full. Yes, yes, yes. So in the next few days, there's going to be a video going up telling you how you can win this box. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled. If you're worried about catching that video, feel free to turn on video notifications for me. But that's something where I just feel like, I don't know. I just feel like it's weird when people are like, you need to put on notifications for my videos. But if you are worried about catching the video, I recommend putting on notifications so you don't. It's going to be up probably in the next 1 to 4 days. And basically I'll post the video about how you can actually win. Do you want to come say goodbye in the video with us, babe? Oh, you're covering the box up? Okay, very nice. All right, so that's all we have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Oh.
I forgot it.
Oh yeah, we got the Love Beauty and Planet lotion that you kept. Okay. I lost my train of thought though. Sit on your bum, lady. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, amazing life, and I will see you very soon for a giveaway video. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. 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 Mask with nourishing raspberry and lentil filled essence. Okay, so I guess maybe that's it because this has like vitamin C dots all over it. I don't think you guys can see it because of my light. But basically, I suppose that's maybe the reason why that